Welcome to the cutting edge of mobile connected technology. Welcome to Pearl Solutions Group. Simply put, we know how to make technology work in your vehicles. With over 20 years as a leader in mobile technology and customized integrated systems, we keep you constantly connected, always on and always ready. Mobile fleets are critical to keeping public utilities up and running because whenever and wherever you're needed, we're there. Outfitting you with the rugged laptops or tablets designed for the harshest environments, securely mounted and reliably powered. We design, procure, kit, deploy, and support a custom end-to-end solution that keeps your fleet connected every time. By housing and protecting all mobile data components into one vehicle, including the timers, the power supply, and the router, you can be confident in a secure and reliable connection to the office network and your team, no matter where your work takes you. Customized designed kitting arrives fully assembled, quality tested, and ready for in-field installation.
We're in a demanding, fast-paced environment, whether it's delivering new solutions, fixing operational issues. We have to be able to do both at the same time always. And so having a strong partnership with someone that actually gets the fast-paced demands of our work has been critically important.
Moving America's utilities into mobile solutions. Pearl solves fleet IT.